slowly do Zhongtian movement. You feel this ceremony. Ready. Follow. Left hand up. Down. Into Sheng Zhen state. Okay, prepare standing form. We do both rolling and the stream of air. This movement. Ready. Same thing, like we do meditation in the beginning. So now I think only 1 minute already into the state. Everybody ready? 1 minute. You can close your eyes. Balance your body. Whole body open. Slightly bend your knees, just for relax. Everybody, naturally open your eyes. You can see me very clear. Feel your body expand. Just watch me. We do very small movement. You see, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you see? 1. Open your armpit, elbows slightly bent. 2, naturally straight. From side. 1, slightly forward. 2. Ready to feel your body expand. Watch my chest. Even the chest feel. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, expand. 2, relax. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Expand. Relax. 1, 2. Slower. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Movement bigger 3 times. Finish. Now we do another movement. From return to spirit number 1, this one. Don't follow. I just show you this one. Only one arm. Okay, left arm. Ready? Body turn to the right. I do mirror image. Ready? Don't move. To feel. Relax your whole body. Only one arm. Begin. One body turn to the left. Left arm go up. Gradually bend to the heart point. 2 go down. Gradually go forward. Very slow. 1 straight arm, gradually curve the back to the heart point. 2 go down, curve forward, farther. 1 arm naturally straight, gradually bend, elbow point down. 2. 1. Elbow point down. 2. Straighten your arm is naturally happen. 1 naturally straight, and then naturally bend. 2. Breathe. 1. 2. Slow. Not exercise. In Sheng Zhen state. 1. Floating. 2. Floating. 1. 2. You never feel hands push and pull. It's naturally happened. 1. 2. 1. 2. We together do Zhongtian movement. Ready? Blow. Up. Down.